whistles from behind. He thinks I'm loyal, thinks I just obey, but I wink at the blackbirds every single day. I warn the birds, yeah, I leak the plan. Tell the birds my dad is here, say you better leave the land. They flap off laughing, dad curses at the sky. He misses every shot and always wonders why. Quail in the thicket pretend they're scared, but they preen in my shadow like I'm their bodyguard there. I sneeze 3 times, that means don't you rise. They shuffle left 12 steps, watch the bullets pass by. I warn the birds, yeah, I leak the plan. Tell the birds my dad is here, say you better leave the land. They flap off laughing, dad curses at the sky. He misses every shot and always wonders why. He pats my head, says I'm born to retrieve, yeah, I retrieve excuses he's eager to believe. How'd they slip past us? He asked the cold air. I just yawn, chase a feather, pretend I don't care, oh yeah. Say you better leave the land. They flap off laughing, dad curses at the sky. He misses every shot and always wonders why.